Just because nobody came to save you, it does not take away the power that you have to save yourself as well as others. So become the hero. And remember, we are stronger together.
The motivation that the motivator just gives, and in very simple, in a simple way. Very encouraging. I would highly recommend this to all the schools in the state, everywhere in this nation. It's so encouraging to have someone who has come from so little to accomplish where he's at right now, and to be able to share that with our young kids of today, and even high schoolers, college students. We all, once again, this has encouraged me to try even harder when I feel like I can't. And I want to thank him so much for doing this.
Through hard work, consistency, and integrity, one day you will find out that the hero you were looking for was you.